In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to play Roblox PC-only games on mobile. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. So, the first step to try and play PC-only games on Roblox is to open up the latest version of the Roblox app on our phones. If you're now running the latest version, make sure to open up the Play Store or the App Store and update accordingly. After we open up the app, if we were to find a PC-only game and we tried to play it, it wouldn't run properly and some commands would be unavailable. The reason why some games are PC exclusive on Roblox is because game developers have to add mobile and console support after they make the game, and some game developers prefer to ignore console and mobile support for their games, which means their games become PC exclusive. Some people claim that you can circumvent this by connecting PS4 controllers or Bluetooth keyboards, for example, and while this would work for some games, most games that are PC exclusive will not allow you to play if you are on mobile or on console, regardless of which methods you use. Currently, as of 2022, there is no way to play PC-only games on mobile in Roblox. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that there is no way to circumvent this. I hope I was able to help you clear up any questions you had surrounding PC-only games on Roblox Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.